Alright, maintenance instruction 1811, Electric Motor Division, General Motors Corporation, LaGrange, Illinois, USA. Welding instruction for car body repair. Journal description: procedure for the welding repair of locomotive car body necessary. Present with an individual problem which will require the separate method of the procedure for these repair. For the individual problems made direct for the attention of the service department. Instruct for the endeavor for the cover of the repair with the generally applicable with the majority of repairs of the car body. When any welding repairs made with the locomotive, care must be taken with not to provide with the current path through any of the working equipment over the locomotive, such as journal boxes, etc. Grounding connections should be made directly with the locomotive frame. The following recommendations are cover typically repair methods used for repairing damaged car body structural members. In general, all splices should be made with a diagonal across the flange of the members. Diamond reinforced plates should be, whenever practical, the overhead welds would be reduced to the minimum. All weld passes should be parallel with the joint or crack, or no weaving will be permitted. Multiple passes welds should be peened after each pass to decrease the welding shrinkage. Cleaning the weld always magniflux of the first pass, magniflux in between the subsequent layers of the welded pass. Cracks under the frame members not otherwise damaged may be repaired. Determine the extent of the crack of the magniflux inspection. The drilling a hole at the end or end of the crack, scarifying the cracked area with a chipping of the grinding flame, cutting welding between the hole. With the holes drilled with the dam of the cracking should be magnifluxed to make sure that the end of the crack has been reached. Figure 1 shows the method of the use of splicing an H connect section with a center sill, bolster, posts, roof members, side frame members. Diamond reinforcement plates are recommended whenever size member permits. The center sill with the H beam extend the length of the locomotive, tying it in each bolster to which the generator mounting pads are welded. Bolster posts are the main upright car body frame members forming an arch directly over each baluster. Figure 2 shows the repair of the made with remove the damaged flange section, replacing in the new section. Figure 3 shows the typical splice with the size Z bar with the diamond patches that recommend the side sill. Z bar is a structural member that extends with the length of the locomotive on the bottom outer side, with which the side of the car body frame members are welded, shown in Figure 4. If the side sill Z bar, Figure 4, with item 4, outer flange only is damaged, repaired by straightening. Z bar flange weld with the damage, remove the damaged section between the frame members, such as the A and B, and splice the new section sill buckle between the A and C, and remove the gasket and detach items 1 and 2 and 3. Effective area, straighten replace with the Z re-weld frame members, damaged side frame members such as item 1 and 2 can be satisfactorily repaired, replace with the damaged section. Alright, let's show the H beam, open, or I beam, H beam, I think you might want to call it, open to all complete flange weld, 60-degree angle, beveled black plate, reinforcement plate if used. Show the, both, double, double V groove, single V groove, diamond reinforcement plate used, diamond plate is not used. Alright, 3 times the thickness of the plate, or orifice of the plate, and then 1 time the thickness of the plate, 3 times the plate thickness, 1 time the thickness plate, 1/2 of the rod diameter. A damaged flame may be straightened with a repair with a Figure 3 with a damaged side panel with support frames. Item 3 and Figure 4 should be replaced, since slight bends in these members result with exaggerated wave effect with the finished panel, with the condition particularly noticeable and locomotive finish with the dark paint colors. The repaired panel support member that usually result with a misalignment of the bat and bolt. No attempt should be made with the treatment of the center sill of the damaged section with the removal of the replace with the following instructions shown in Figure 1. Transverse underframe members may be repaired with the straightened damaged flange of the or by repair methods shown in Figure 1 and 3. Show the section removed, and then repaired section in the H section flange rebar repair. The bend was cut out, and then it was no, the root of the scarf equals the 1/2 of the diameter of the welding, and it shows a 45-degree angle, 60-degree bevel with the back plates on it. Backup plate or sheet is not used. A 60-degree double bevel in BBCC with a backing of 1/2 times the welding rod used. No. On page 4 is given the recommended welding electrode for the various application locomotive parts. Welding rod is identified in American Welding Society specification code May be purchased by many electric manufacturers by the use of electrode comparison chart. ABWS specification designation a particular company may be obtained. Alright, intro of the car body frame, which is not labeled. The 1s and 2 and A, B's, and C's are not labeled. Alright, show the part, locomotive electrode for each different part. And that might be a good chart to look at. I might print that out. You have your 6010, 7010, and that completes the maintenance welding instruction car body repair.